Hello everyone. Today let's talk about fundamental to programming in Python, allowing developers to work with data in a flexible and dynamic way, and it is variables. So, let's get started.
Welcome to Data Science Cheat Sheets channel, transforming lines into limitless creations.
Variables are fundamental elements in Python programming, used to store and manage data. A variable is essentially a name assigned to a memory location that holds a value.
Another way to think of variables as labels that are assigned to values. You can also say that a variable references a certain value.
When working with variables, it is crucial to understand various aspects, including naming conventions, data types, assignments, and scope. Naming and using variables. Descriptive and meaningful names enhance code readability. When you are using variables in Python, you need to adhere to a few rules and guidelines.
Variable names shall contain only letters, numbers, and underscores. They can start with a letter or an underscore, but not with a number. Variables are case-sensitive, treating uppercase and lowercase letter as distinct. Spaces are not allowed in variable names. Avoid using Python keywords and function name as variable names. For example, print, class, global, return. Try.
Assignment. Assigning a value to a variable is done using the equal operator. One notable feature of Python is its dynamic typing, which means you don't need to explicitly declare the data type of a variable. Python interpreter dynamically assigns the type based on the value assigned to the variable. Multiple assignments. Python allows multiple assignments in a single line, making code concise and readable. Reassignment. Variables can be reassigned to new values, even changing their data type. Constants. While Python lacks true constants, developers often use the uppercase names for variables intended to be treated as constants. This convention signals that the value should not be modified.
Scope. Variables have scope, determining where they can be accessed. A variable declared inside a function is locally scoped, while one declared outside any function has global scope.
Understanding variable types, naming conventions, and scoping rules is essential for writing clear, readable, and maintainable code. Python's simplicity and flexibility make it an excellent language for both beginners and experienced developers when working with variables.
Thanks for watching. Please feel free to share this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in comment section down below. See you next time.